Hello and welcome to another pantomime review where I said the last video would be the last, but the Manchester Opera House has just announced that Dick Whittington will make its way this Christmas to the Opera House, starring Jason Manford and Ben Nickless back for their 5th season at the Opera House. For the story of Dick Whittington, the panto paved with gold, once again produced by Crossroads, and we have the same reoccurring story every year. I mean, 3 years ago they said it'd be Snow White, it changed to Jack and the Beanstalk. They said it'd be Snow White, it changed to Robin Hood. They said it'd be Snow White, and they changed it to Dick Whittington. How much longer can this go on? Hey, at least they're building up the anticipation for when Snow White eventually does make its way to the Opera House. However, I think this is likely due to, of course, Jason Manford. He'd probably be casted as Prince in Snow White like he was Cinderella, which was only 2 years ago, so it'd be very similar productions. I mean, Ben Nickless can also be thrown in as Muddles. However, Jason playing Prince would be very similar to what we've seen before in Cinderella. So Dick Whittington does change that up. I mean, the jokes for Dick Whittington pretty much write themselves. Jason is playing Dick and Ben is probably playing Idle Jack. I mean, it makes sense why they haven't done Snow White. Snow White is very similar in many aspects to Cinderella, and with Jason playing Prince, it would essentially be a rehash of what we've already seen before. Plus, Dick Whittington isn't being staged, well, wasn't meant to be staged by Crossroads this season, so that means that the Manchester Opera House will get the London Palladium set, and you can see some imagery of that now. Special effects as well from the Twins effects, including the rat and bus, will likely be in this production. And as well, wonderful scores by Gary Hine, Dare to Dream, some of the best in the business. And also, can we appreciate that this Photoshop of the poster is much more better than last year's Robin Hood. They've done Jace some justice there. Dick Whittington is very similar in the likes to Robin Hood in that the story is very thin. So essentially this year will be more shenanigans from Ben and Jason. However, I did think last year it wasn't quite as good as Cinderella. Of course, Cinderella, the story, the pantomime, is the fairest of them all, but I felt the quality of comedy was a little bit less than the years before, just because stuff is wearing a little bit thin. Do we still need to be going on about in the gap? Of course, Manchester love that. However, there does need to be a time that probably is reeled in. But Ben and Jason are loved in Manchester. Of course, there'll be more principal casting to be announced. However, last year there wasn't really much to announce. So hopefully this year we have much more principal cast. Sarah the cook in this. Will Sarah Vaughan come back? She's been in Cinderella and Robin Hood. So could she come back in Dick Whittington? I guess we'll have to find out. But there you go. Jason Manford, Ben Nickless paved the way for the panto paved with gold in Dick Whittington at the Manchester Opera House. With lavish sets, effects and costumes for the London Palladium, laugh out loud comedy, Dick Whittington will be a hit this year in Manchester at the Manchester Opera House for Jason and Ben's 5th year at that panto. How many more years of Jason and Ben in Manchester? I guess we'll have to wait and find out. Until then, you can already book your tickets at acgtickets.com/show/Dick Whittington pantomime/Opera House Manchester. And of course, if you've already booked for Snow White, then your tickets have been renewed for this Dick Whittington. With all that said, ta-ra.